going on, everybody? It's March 14th, 2026, and we are supposed to get probably about 14 to 17 inches of snow. Right now it's 4 o'clock, and the flurries are coming down already, as you can probably notice. Probably not. Y'all, it's 5 o'clock right now, and then you can tell there's flurries already on the ground. The wind's picking up, and the snow's coming in quicker and quicker throughout the hour. So let's see what happens at 6. It's 6 p.m. right now. Seems like the snow has slowed down a bit. Who knows? We definitely should be getting more than this. But yeah, pretty surprised to see the snow slow down right now. 6 o'clock. So it is now 7 p.m. As you can see, oh, there we go. As you see, there's a little snow on the ground there. Still slow. Figured it'd be a little more snow than this, but you know, we'll see what happens. A little underwhelmed, low key, but you know, I was hoping for a lot of snow. So right now it is 8 p.m. Wonderful Bloomington, Minnesota. Looks like we're getting a little snow on my grill here. Yeah, I think it's about to start. It's gonna get popping here. It's 9 p.m. right now, and the snow's coming down pretty good now. Actually, I think I'm done for the day, well, for the night, and I'll follow up with you all first thing in the morning. It's 7:30 in the morning here, and this is how much snow we've accumulated so far. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of snow. This is me and my daughter Millie, and it's 9 o'clock, I think. 9 o'clock here, and what do you think, Millie? A lot of snow, huh? This is my least favorite part. It's getting snowed in from the plowers. This is exactly 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. See here, just trying to get my snow blow on. It's 11 o'clock. As you all see, I have to get my snow blow on. It's 12:30 right now, and as we see, there's still snow coming down. Crazy. I'm all done. Maisie, are we all done? Yeah, we're all done. It stopped snowing, and that's about it. So hope y'all enjoy the Bloomington Blizzard of 2026. Got plowed in again. Damn.